spend 10 hours with me doing these mohawk braids. Boho at that. Now, when I tell y'all these braids take forever. And then it's just the different positions you gotta be in. Y'all always asking me what jam I use. Here it is. Take a screenshot. There you go. These braids took so long. Look at my client. She was so happy when I told her that this was the last section that we were doing. And then after that, she got right. Like, you see how she's standing still and everything? Y'all, doing this is a lot. Like, I might hire an assistant next time and definitely up the price more. Because if I can have somebody braid the middle and then I just do the outsides, I'll be fine. Because that middle part, it just adds more time. But yeah, y'all. How y'all think these came out? I think it came out cute.